friends, welcome back to my channel. This is KANI. In this video I'm going to be kind of trying out a few products from this particular box. This is like a makeup kit by the Color Workshop. So this particular kit is called Selfie Ready Burnt, and in the box says that it's a 20-piece makeup collection. But first I was like, what do they mean by 20-piece, because there are like 8 products in this, that's all. But the 20-piece written on this box kind of points towards every shade. So the eyeshadow palette is like 11 shades, and the blush is 2 shades. Again, the bronzer is 2 shades, and apart from that there are 5 products down here. So that is like a total of 20 piece. So that is what it means. And this box was gifted to me by my brother. He bought it from US, and when he gave it to me he was like, just try it out. It was like on sale and it was just for like $2, so just give it a try. And looking at it now, I do not have like real high hopes on any of the products available in this box, but we are going to try this out, and we're going to see in real time how the pigmentation is and how it looks overall. So let's just get into it then. So the first thing is I have already applied my foundation and compact and everything. So I have left out just those parts of my makeup that is available in the box. So I'm going to be doing my eyebrows, and then I'm going to go into the eyeshadow, apply the eyeliner, and we'll be looking at the blush and bronzer, and also the lipstick and lip gloss. Nail polish is something that I do not want to try right now, but maybe on one of my nails I'll just show it to you, just to see how the pigmentation is and how it applies and everything. So let's get started then. So I'm going to start with this eyeliner, which is like brown in color. It's like, I thought I can use this for my eyebrows, but it's very light brown. So I'm going to first watch it and see if the shade is good enough for my brows. So this is the shade. I think it's good enough. Let's just give this a try. So the product is kind of very sticky, and it's also like a shade or 2 lighter than the shade that I usually use. So this is what it looks on me, and I'm not really liking it a lot so far. Okay, that's the eyebrows. Could be better, could be worse. So next I'm going to try out the eyeshadow palette. Just going to start in with the light shade and cover it all over my eyelids. So I'm just going to take this dark brown shade and create a crease line, and also cover up my outer corners. Pigmentation is actually not very bad, it's really good. I'm gonna go in with this copper shade and cover my eyelids. Pigmentation is actually really good, but there is like a lot of product falls off, and a lot of product is actually gotten caught in the brush as well. So the product gets wasted a lot, I suppose. I'm going to be taking this shade for the inner corner of my eyes. I'm actually liking the eyeshadow. I hope it stays on for a longer time, because looking at the way the product falls off the brush and off the palette itself, I don't think it lasts for a long time. So I'll just update that in the description below. So moving on to the black eyeliner, I'm just going to be lining my eyes and smudging it up a little bit. Eyeliner works really well too, but I do not really use the pencil type eyeliner a lot anymore. It's kind of, it hurts my eyes whenever it's like really sharp, and you need to keep sharpening it whenever you want to use it. So I've kind of started preferring retractable kind of kajals. And anyway, the product is actually really good. So far so good. I'm moving on to the bronzer. So I'm not a bronzer kind of a person, so I'm just going to apply it very lightly. And I'm just taking the highlighter part of this. Really liking the highlighter. For me, if the highlighter is on point, then any product is like really good to go for me. So the highlighter in this box is really great. So let me just try the blush. I'm just going to be mixing the two shades up. The blush is too much of shimmer and very less of pigmentation, so not really my type. Moving on to the lipstick. This shade of lipstick is going to look really horrible on my lips, so I'm just warning you guys before. I know, you guys, I told you so. I know that this shade is like going to look really washed out right now, but actually a lip gloss can turn things around when you're stuck up with such lighter shades of lipsticks or anything of that sort. A shade of lipstick that you do not like, or it does not suit you, then a lip gloss can always turn things around, and it can make it look really nice and toned down. So there's this lip gloss in the kit itself. So I'm going to be applying this over the lipstick. I don't really think it's doing me any good. The lip gloss is not at all pigmented. It's more like lip oil and not a lip gloss. The last remaining product that we haven't tried out yet is this nail polish right here. So I'm just going to put it on a thumb finger. Let's see how it is. So this is the nail polish shade. It's like kind of golden and it's a lot of glitter. I actually like the shade, and probably would like to use it as a topper for some other nail color. It would look really nice. So those are all the products that were in this box, and I have tried it all out. So my overall thought, the brow color is not mine. I cannot use that much. But the eyeshadow is truly great. The pigmentation is perfect. And like I said, I don't know whether it lasts for a longer time. So I don't know about its longevity. If the wear time is also great, then the eyeshadow palette is a steal. And then we have the black eyeliner, which is great. The product is great. The pigmentation is great. It smudges around really well, and then it stays put. Moving on to the bronzer highlighter. Bronzer is not my thing, but highlighter is really great. And blush is like it's null. There is no pigmentation. There's a lot of glitter. Maybe I can use it as a highlighter but not as a blush. The lipstick is very creamy when I applied it on. If it was in a better shade, if it was in my shade, then I would have used it like on a regular basis. It's very moisturizing and also very pigmented, but this shade is not mine, so I'm not going to be using it again. And the lip gloss, like I said, there is no much of pigmentation in the lip gloss. It's like a lip oil, and it's also very chemicalish when I smell it, so I don't think I'll be using the lip gloss either. But the nail polish is really great. I love how well packed the glitter is, and it's really nice. The shade itself is really good. So that is all the products in this box and my review of the products. For $2, I think the box is well above its worth. That is all for my review on this collection from the Color Workshop. So if you liked this video and found it interesting, and helpful. Please do give it a huge thumbs up and leave your comments and views and thoughts in the comment section below. And also do not forget to subscribe to my channel. There are a lot of amazing videos lined up and coming up next. So please do subscribe to my channel, and until the next time I get back to you guys with another amazing video. Bye bye.